Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chen here and welcome to the product Badass Bonuses. So this is a very exciting tool, or you can say it as a package. Okay, so in this package you will be given so many bonuses. Okay, let me show you. I want to recommend this tool for the newbie and also as well as the experts also. Like, this tool is created for everyone. Let me show you this tool, but before getting into this tool, let me tell you that some bonuses will be given to you from my website, and that is given to you totally free once you have just purchased the product from this website, from this page. The link is given in the description. You can click on the link and you will be redirected to this page, and from this page you can get the tool. And also, like, you can click on the buttons and you will be redirected to this sales page, and from that page you can get the tool. Let me show you the tool firstly. So not only this is an informational based tool, but this is also a course, a bonus, a training, a case study, and also software. Let me show you how this tool is serving that much purposes. Okay, so the first thing is, in the welcome section there are 4 videos. Okay, so, and also magic button 1 2 3 4. You need to purchase the tool to reveal the magic buttons, and I don't want to reveal inside this video about the magic buttons. Okay, something surprising is waiting for you, and the change your life forever. And the next thing is how to turn the heat up and the best way to deliver your bonuses to your customer. And that is also a video, a good video, very good video. Like, how to use what tools should be used to deliver your bonuses and capture the emails of your customer. And the next thing is the tool or the courses that has been launched inside 2021 and also in 2020. Okay, so the thing is, you will be given that all of the stuffs that has been launched previously and just launched inside also the month of February and inside the month of June. Okay, so Meave, this tool was launched inside the month of June, and this is given to you totally free. The Zena app was launched inside the month of May. Okay, Zena is all about Google ads, the Google discovery ads, and Meave is all about the Facebook traffic, okay, automation, the Facebook traffic automation. And Zena, Zenobia, Cleopatra, every tool and app will be given to you inside this tool. I have mentioned here the total 80 plus bonuses, over 80. Okay, so total 80 plus bonuses will be given to you inside this tool in a very cheap cost. I have never seen that kind of offer before. Okay, so the thing is, you can get the tool within just 16 bucks and 97 cents, or you can tell it total 17 bucks. Okay, let me consider it 17 bucks. And MMO Badass tutorial, the next thing is MMO Badass tutorial. Inside these tutorials you will be given the bonuses also, but in the form of the video, and also some resources buttons are given, or the links are given, okay, for each and every videos inside this section. These are also the bonuses. And the Badass traffic bonuses also, inside the Badass traffic bonuses, these are also videos, and also case studies are given inside these Badass traffic bonuses. How you can make your customer to purchase your bonus, not the tool as well, also the bonuses. You are just selling your bonuses. That is that mindset or that psychology is mentioned inside this section. And also the Badass affiliate training bonus, and also the Badass monetization bonus. I have not gone through all of the stuffs. Like, I can't tell you what are the given stuffs inside the lastly given section. Okay, so cause I have not gone all of them, there are so many stuffs given inside this pack, inside this tool. Fast action bonuses, you can see here, these 5 bonuses will be given to you if you take action now, if you take action as fast as possible by you. And the upgrade section, if you just upgrade, then the massive bonuses comes from me to you. Total 400 plus stuffs will be given to you totally free with my mega bonuses if you purchase any of the upgrade from here. Sorry, any of the upgrades from here. I do so many grammatical mistakes. Okay, you can check out, these are the upgrades. 4 upgrades are here. So let me show you now the bonuses from this page. Some descriptions are given, and also buttons are given. You can check out the product sales page from here, and also this is the front end product which will give you 30 plus bonuses from my website. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonus as I have mentioned here. So this is the sales page of this tool. If you click on the buttons inside this page, you will be redirected on this sales page, and from this page you can check out the testimonials. You can purchase the tool literally, and this is the official website livedigitaldens.net. and be aware of the fake sites that can grab your credit card details and whatever. Okay, so the thing is that is the bonuses, and also I have completed the mega bonuses, I think. So that is what I want to say, and I have told you everything, sorry. So you can now, it is your decision to get the tool. I will highly recommend it to any of the newbies or expert. Both of the contenders are made for it. Okay, very recommended tool, and also this is a very cheap tool. Okay, so I am signing out for this app, for this tool. Have a good day. Thanking you again. So bye bye.